Hey there guys, this is going to be the third tutorial of the Burpsuite series, and also it is going to be the final video of the Burpsuite series. So in this video what we will be seeing is we will be seeing about the decoder and the comparer and the logger, and also we will be seeing the extender, and in extender specifically we will be seeing about the bapp store, and in bapp store we will be seeing how to add a new tool to the Burpsuite. So firstly let's go with the decoder. And let me clear out all these. So firstly what I'm doing is just entering a value. I'm just entering decode.com, and once I enter decode.com, on the right side you could see there is many options called as decode as, encode as, and there is also hash option, and also there is a smart decode. You can just give a smart decode to decode these values. So for example I'm just going to encode it, and I'm going to encode it in base 64. So now I have encoded the decode.com in base 64, and also I can decode this. So if I just give smart decode, it will just decode, so it will take a little time. Or you can just go through all these and you can select. So I'm just selecting base 64. So once I selected base 64, it has now decoded this value. So this is how the encode and decode works. And now let's move on to the comparer. And the comparer is basically compares two values, and also they have given the definition. The function lets you do a word or byte level comparison between the different data, and also you can import or you can load from other tools to compare here. So it is pretty much very easy. You can just try it over here. And the logger is basically it just logs whatever things you do. So for example, it just captures only 50 MB of logs, and if you click over here you can see you can customize what are the logs you want to capture. And then the extender, in the extender you can see the extension over here. In the extension you can just add a third-party code, so it is not necessary, even professionals don't do it. So for a newbie or a pro ethical hacker, you can just go with it. And in the bapp store you could see various tools available. So firstly I'm just going with the auto repeater, and some tools needs professional editions, and let me go with the auth analyzer. And you could also see what does the tool does, and also you can see the features in it, and also you could see the source code, the GitHub repository. So I'm just going to install it. So let's wait for it to install. So once the tool is installed, you can see this auth analyzer in the menus option over here. So let's wait for it to install. So you could see that tool is installed. So once the tool is installed, you get a tick on the installed options, which means that the tool is installed. So as I said, that auth analyzer will be added to the menus over here, and you could see the auth analyzer tool. Once you click on the auth analyzer, you can just work with the tool. So this is how to add new tools in the Burpsuite, and you can add multiple tools. And let's move to the extender, and also I have selected the attack surface detector, and this selects the attack surface. So that's it about this extender also. And you can also add the API keys over here, and it is you can use the Burpsuite API to create your own extension to customize the burp behaviors. And that's it about this burp, and I think this video will be helpful for you. So in this video we have seen how to encode and decode, and also we have seen how to compare two values, and also we have seen about the logger. The logger just logs log the files whatever you do. And the extender, in the extender we have seen about the bapp store, how to install a new tool, and that's it. So if this video is useful and informative, make sure to give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video guys.